Hi, mommies and daddies. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time, I am Dr. Carmelita, an educational psychologist, passionate about conscious parenting. One of my missions is to help parents talk to their children and explain things to their children a bit better. And that brought me to wanting to share something that I wrote for a child who is experiencing dyslexia. So we don't really use the word dyslexia anymore. We talk about a specific learning disorder with an impairment in reading. So the child came to me for an assessment, and the report, I created a report for the child, and the findings was that the child experiences a reading disorder. And then I wrote a letter to the child with the goal of helping them to understand their own barrier to learning a little bit better. And I thought I want to share that letter with you as parents, which you can then use to explain to your own child the difficulties that they're experiencing. All right, let me get into it. Hi, client. Your brain has lots of different super muscles. Some of your muscles are already really strong, like the ones that help you understand stories, remember facts, and solve problems. Those are amazing strengths. Reading needs a different muscle, the sound muscle, the one that helps your brain hear the sounds in words and put them together. This muscle isn't weak, it just hasn't had enough training yet. But you know what gets in the way sometimes? You have a little guard dog in your brain whose job is to protect you. When something feels hard, like a new word or a tricky sound, the guard dog sometimes jumps in and says, "Stop! This might make me feel wrong. Let's give up or rush so that we don't feel bad." The guard dog is not trying to be naughty. He is trying to keep you safe. The tricky part is that when the guard dog jumps in too fast, your sound muscles don't get a chance to train. And the only way those muscles get stronger is when you keep trying, even when it's hard. Slowly, calmly, and step by step. So the real superhero isn't the one who gets everything right quickly. The real superhero is the one who learns how to say to the guard dog, "It's okay. I don't need protection right now. I'm safe. I'm learning." And then keeps practicing until all those sound muscles grow. So what can you do to power up and help yourself learn? You need to take your time. You need to sound out your words instead of guessing. And you need to try again after you've made a mistake. Asking for help when you feel stuck, and to celebrate every effort and not always strive to do it perfectly. So moms and dads, I hope that this helps for your little one who is perhaps experiencing a reading disorder, or maybe for you to learn some new words on how you can explain it to them better. I hope this helps, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.